Hey guys, before I forget, I got a box in the mail, and it has to do with my Omega Aqua Terra. I bought one of those premium NATO straps from Omega just to check them out. So I put the order in for the strap. I think it cost, I don't know. I mean, for some reason I'm thinking like $200, maybe like 180 or 160 or something. But so I put the order in, and I got this box in the mail. I mean, this is like outrageously large. And I said, man, I just got a NATO strap. I have not opened the box. Okay, I have opened the box because it was so ridiculously packed, but I have not actually looked inside. So let's see what's inside. Let's see what's inside this box and what you actually get whenever you pay that much money for a NATO strap. Okay, so like I said, I opened up all this packing tape, and wow. Okay, I mean, is this the packing for like a single like? So this is, like I said, it says Omega there. Really cool. Yeah, let's just kind of get in here and see what the deal is with. I mean, like, what is happening here? Okay, give me a second here. Okay, there is something inside here. I mean, this is outrageous, man. What if I actually bought a watch from these guys? You know, so this came directly from Omega, not aftermarket or anything like that. And so here's what's inside. Let me just move all this stuff here. Let's see what you get in the box. Like I said, I've never opened this. So I bought it specifically for this watch, the 41mm Aqua Terra. So really cool, man. So that opens. And then let's see what's inside. Like I said, I'm looking at this with y'all, and oh yeah, I love these classic, like these cases that Omega used to do their services out of. Now this is a little bit larger, a little bit better than before. Like I said, this is just for a single NATO strap. This is what I'm getting in the mail from Omega. So I'm opening it. Okay, still haven't gotten the strap. Oh yeah, that's right. I did get, you know how like when you check out, they say, oh hey, do you want to add this on? So I did get a really cool Omega branded strap changer thingy, really high quality actually. I think this was like 15 bucks in addition to, so really, I mean, like, that is like super high quality. Recommend you getting that if you're in the market for, like, you know, a NATO strap at that price. And let's see what this is. This is a QR code and stuff like that. So yeah, props to Omega for like making this like super legit. Okay, so that, I'll put that back in here somehow. And then, so, okay, so let's keep going. This is like a little piece, and finally, here is the strap itself. Omega branded. Like I said, this is OEM. I mean, this is from Omega. And you can see what the strap looks like right there. God, that's a lot of money for a strap. Let me switch around the camera and we'll look at it more closely. Okay, give me a second. Sorry, last thing, sorry. Look what else was in that package. This little capsule thing. You know, it's like one of those swallow and if captured, but you open it up and look, it's got 4 little OEM spring bars. How cool is that? Let's look. I can't do the video and not put the strap on the watch, right? So let's try to get that done. So, you know, OEM spring bars, man. I mean, like, don't discount that. I mean, that's also worth a little bit of premium. So, all right. So let's take this strap off now. Okay, now this is not going to be. Hopefully, it'll be easy on this watch because I'm trying to do it through the camera. So, quick release spring bars. Best thing that's happened to watches probably in the last 50 years, I would say yes. So these Hirsch straps are awesome, by the way. I mean, for 150 bucks, those hybrid straps are really beautifully made. So let's see if we can get these spring bars in there in a cool way. So there you can see the hole. And again, sorry guys, I'm trying to do this through a camera lens. What's the most important tool a home watchmaker can have? Number 1, fingernails. Number 2, a toothpick. All right, so there you go. OEM spring bars. So we're not playing around with any aftermarket stuff. And let's put this, first of all, let's put the black generic poor people NATO strap on. Oh God, it feels brutal going through there, man. God, this is painful to do. Hang on, there you go. And God, it is just so cheap. It just hurts to put such an expensive watch on such a cheap strap. But there you see what that is. God, all right, let me get that off. I mean, that's gonna ruin that watch. Okay, so God, it is so rough. All right, I'm gonna burn that at the end of this video. All right, so here is the super awesome, beautiful. Look at that. Look at the finishing at the end. You know what I mean? Totally cool. And so it's hard to describe how amazing that feels, honestly, without using slightly inappropriate language. So I'm just gonna let the pictures do the talking right here. Yeah. Sorry. Let me just put that on here. All right. There you have it. I gotta take these little plastic thingies off, but there you see it on the watch, man. I mean, I like the gray, man. It's a little boring, but hang on. Let me show you what it looks like on the wrist. 2 seconds. Okay, I feel like I'm gonna be cleaning this stuff up for like the rest of the afternoon. So let me just push that to the side. Okay, so let's try the Omega Aqua Terra with the OEM NATO. Critically important. God, that feels so good. It feels too good. Honestly, it feels too good. It's going to be hard to go back to, you know what I mean? What I like to call poor people straps after wearing this, because this thing is like amazing. There you see the Aqua Terra 41 on an OEM Omega NATO strap. I feel like if you get the Aqua Terra or any Omega watch and you spring for the OEM strap, you are authorized to say Omega instead of Omega. All right, guys, I'm joking, of course. I really like the strap, though. It's cool, and God, man, it is amazing what Omega will send you with this strap. I think it's money well spent, man. I mean, I really do. And, you know, don't sell yourself short by spending like merely $125 to get one off of eBay, because you know what's going to happen. They're going to take all the goodies out of the box and you're just going to get the strap. So just spend the extra 40, 50 bucks if you're going to go OEM and just get it from the nice people, you know, in Switzerland, Omega. Anyway, guys, take care. God bless. I hope you like this video of a watch and its strap. Take care. Bye.